Cicuta virosa, Allen's notes, water hemlock family, Umbelliferae. Women subject to epileptic and choric convulsions, spasms of teething children, or from worms. Convulsions violent with frightful distortions of limbs and whole body, with loss of consciousness of opisthotonus renewed from slightest touch, noise, or jar. Puerperal convulsions, frequent suspension of breathing for a few moments as if dead. Upper part of the body most affected, continue after delivery. Epilepsy with swelling of the stomach as from violent spasms of the diaphragm, screaming, red or bluish face, locked jaw, loss of consciousness and distortion of the limbs, frequent during the night, recurring first at short, then at long intervals. When reading, the letters seem to turn, go up or down, or disappear. I repeat, when reading, the letters seem to turn, go up or down, or disappear. During dentition, grinding of the teeth or gums, compression of the jaws as in lockjaw, abnormal appetite for chalk and indigestible things, for coal or charcoal, child eats them with apparent relish. Suffer violent shocks through head, stomach, arms, legs, which cause jerkings of the parts, head hot. Injurious chronic effect from concussions of the brain and spine, specially spasms, trismus and tetanus from getting splinters into flesh. Pustules which run together, forming thick yellow scabs on head and face, psychosis mentis. Eczema, no itching, exudation, forms into a hard lemon-colored crust. Brain disease from suppressed eruptions. Relations, compare Hypericum, Nux vomica. Aggravation from tobacco smoke and touch. Cicuta virosa, Boric materia medica, the action on the nervous system producing spasmodic affections, hiccup, trismus, tetanus and convulsions give the pathological picture, calling specially for this remedy whenever this is further characterized by the more individual symptoms of the drug. Among these are the bending of the head, neck and spine backwards, and the general action of the patient is violent with frightful distortions. Violent, strange desires, sensation of internal chill, moaning and howling, those absurd things. Marked action on the skin. Mind, delirium, with singing, dancing and funny gestures, everything appears strange and terrible. Confounds present with the past, feels like a child, stupid feeling, melancholy, with indifference, mistrustful, epilepsy, moaning and whining, vivid dreams. Head turned or twisted to one side, cerebrospinal meningitis, cervical muscles contracted, vertigo with gastralgia and muscular spasms, sudden violent shocks through head. Stares persistently at objects, convulsions from concussion of brain, thick yellow scabs on head symptoms relieved by emission of flatus. Eyes, when reading, letters disappear, pupils dilated, insensible strabismus, objects recede, approach and seem double. Eyes tear, pupils get behind upper lids as head inclines, effects of exposure to snow, spasmodic affections of eyes and its appendages, strabismus, periodic spasmodic after a fall or a blow. Ears, difficult hearing, sudden detonation, especially on swallowing, hemorrhage from ears. Face, pustules which run together, forming thick yellow scabs on face and head, corners of mouth and chin, with burning pain, red face. Trismus, disposition to grind teeth. Throat, dry, feels as if grown together. Spasms of esophagus cannot swallow. Effects on esophagus from swallowing sharp piece of bone. Stomach. Thirst, burning pressure, hiccup, throbbing in pit of stomach which has become raised to size of fist. Desire for unnatural things like cold. Indigestion with insensibility, frothing at mouth. Abdomen. Flatulence with anxiety and crossness, rumbling in, distended and painful, colic with convulsions. Rectum. Diarrhea in morning with irresistible desire to urinate, itching in rectum. Respiratory. Chest feels tight, can hardly breathe, tonic spasm in pectoral muscles, heat in chest. Back and extremities, spasms and cramps in muscles of nape of neck and spasmodic drawing backward of head. Curved limbs cannot be straightened nor straight once bent. I repeat, curved limbs cannot be straightened or straight once bent. Back bent backward like an arc. Jerking, tearing in coccyx, especially during menses. Skin, eczema, no itching, exudation forms into a hard lemon-colored crust. Suppressed eruption causes brain disease. Elevated eruptions as large as peas, chronic impetigo. Modalities: worse from touch, draughts, concussion, tobacco smoke. Relationship: it antidotes opium and arnica. Dose: 6 to 200 attenuation.